Hey everybody, pretty significant breakthrough today. I've been working on this all night, all morning, and I have it. And I'm really excited to share this with you. If you remember the whiteboard document, down here, the big thing here was dynamic jobs. Dynamic jobs, where we can build different queries against the database and run different, not different pyATS jobs, but scoped differently to the user's demands. All right, so let's quickly take a look at this. So what I have is this button that will run against all devices, which is incredible. But I've given the user some hints here. Let's go get the host name. And what we're going to do is put in the host name and press enter. Our spinner starts. And there kicks off the pyATS job, scoped dynamically against that host name. And there we go. It's connected and it's working. And the spinner stops. Now in Chrome, this actually disappears. Now let's do the alias, right? I don't know the host name, but I know operations called it DevNet 9K Sandbox. No problem, right? No problem. We can use the friendly alias. Again, the pyATS job's going to run, scope it accordingly, target that individual device. Now let's say even at a higher level, you can see device type and operating system. Well, what if I want every NXOS device job? I'd like the access control lists from any device in my database that's a Nexus. No problem. Go ahead and scope NXOS, target those individual devices, go learn the ACLs and populate the database. We can do the same thing with operating system. We can do the same thing down to an individual IP address now. It makes me smile. This is what I had in mind. Late Thursday, it's mid-Sunday, and we've made this happen. I want to thank everyone in the community. This has been a community effort, in particularly Andy, who's really taken me under his wing and shown me some amazing things. Thank you, Andy. And everyone who answers my tweets and answers the call, everyone who sends me messages saying they're excited by this. It really helps. So thank you, and have a great week. We'll see you later. Stay safe.